Join us for our spring break adventure. Hey guys! Today is spring break for our grandchildren. We are at Big Splash Adventure in French Lick, Indiana. We're going to take you guys with us, show you the water park, and show you around our hotel room and all around the area.
Let's get into the pool. Here we go! Ready, everyone? Thank you! You okay? Whoa, whoa! Whoa! You okay?
Alright, ready? Woo! Oh, ah! It's okay, I got you, Bubba, I got you. Woo! Okay, I got you, Bubba, I got you, okay? Ow, you're holding me! Oh, sorry. Oh, no.
Big Splash Adventure is attached to a 153-room hotel featuring 8 different room types and suites that allow up to 9 people. You can spend the night and get water park passes included with your water park room. This is the lobby area of the hotel, and as you can see, it was made with kids in mind. We love all the theming. It's such a fun place. Not only do they have a great indoor water park, they also have the Treasure Chest Arcade, which has over 20 games to choose from. This is such a fun place for kids and families to go, especially spring break. There's also a place where you can get your caricature made, and they have a galley grill where you can grab pizza, burgers, fries, and anything you might want to eat. Keith made his way up to the crow's nest where he could take pictures from above. The Lost River was the lazy river, which our grandchildren loved. Believe it or not, it wasn't me at first aid this time. It was Keith with a bloody elbow, and we'll show you later in the video how it happened. Now for our room tour. You open the door with your armband.
Oh, I'm smart.
And she's in.
Wow.
Now let's look at our room.
Oh, man, I wanted a bunk bed.
Bathroom. 2 double beds. Last time we were here, we had a bunk bed.
Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes.
So here we are. Do you think Addie brought enough lipstick? Let us know in the comments. Big Splash Adventure is a 40,000 square foot indoor water park, perfect for spring break. The Lost Treasure Lagoon is a great place for them to go and swim if they're tired of the lazy river or the water slides. The water park features the lazy river, 2 large tube slides, 2 large body slides, the Buccaneer Bay play structure for the smaller children, and the Splish Splash pool for toddlers. There's an indoor pool, adults-only hot tub, and an outdoor pool. This was Plunder Plunge, also known as the toilet bowl plunge. You go round and round and round before going through.
Maybe you come over like we did. Hit my butt.
I know, my butt.
Where we going?
Oh no.
Turn around. Yay! Woo! Oh!
And just like that, we were totally drenched. Then we went to our room, dried off, and the kids wanted to go to the seaside market and pick out a souvenir. It was a great little souvenir shop, and there was so much to choose from. It took them a while to decide what they were going to get. Just beyond the gift shop is the Boatyard. It's a menu, sit-down restaurant where you can go to enjoy a meal while on site. They finally made their souvenir choices. Then we took a few pictures and went to our room, where the kids were absolutely starving. So we ordered pizza from a local Papa John's and had it delivered straight to our room. Couldn't decide on a dessert, so they got all 3. After we ate, Keith and I went to check out the fitness center. It was small, but it did have a treadmill, an elliptical, a bike, and a few hand weights. When you make reservations and stay at the hotel, you get access to the water park prior to check-in and after check-out. So you have 2 days of water fun. They absolutely loved this big bucket dumping water on them. The water park had Palm Cove, which was an adults-only hot tub. It was a great place to kind of get away from the hustle and bustle of the crowded water park. And this was day of checkout, our breakfast buffet. They had hard-boiled eggs, yogurt, orange juice, sausage, biscuits, gravy, scrambled eggs, hash browns, and 2 different types of cereal and fruit. This was such a great spring break adventure. We highly recommend Big Splash. If you would like to see more of our videos, click the video that just popped up on your screen.